Hi guys, welcome back to Morant's Rants. Plenty of good information, a little bit of motivation, a whole lot of truth, no financial advice. This is midnight stock talk. It's 100 degrees in California right now. And welcome to it. I want to talk about two stocks in particular, guys. I'm going to go into detail. First one will be MULN Automotive. Well, that won't be my first one. I'll talk about AMC first. AMC will be what I want to talk about first. But then MULN Automotive will be at the end. So if you care about MULN Automotive, stick around. If you don't, get your AMC info fix first. Here we go. No edits, no cuts. You guys know the way I do this. One take session. AMC. So I read the 8K front to back on my lunch break, and it was pretty eventful towards the end. If you guys read it, Adam Aaron announced that they're going to be doing a 25 million share offering. Now, when you do something like this, just so you guys are clear, the 25 million is after the conversion and after the reverse stock split. So that means, just to like give you a number, that's like 250 million shares today. That's the percentage of equity that he's leveraging out of you. Almost 20% of the float that will be what AMC is. So right off the bat, the very first day in, by the 25th of August, they will be diluting this float. So when you see the share price, I want to establish this with everybody right now. When you see the share price, just know that's not the price. When you see the FTD charts, like all you kids try to pay attention to, that does not matter. When you see them on a threshold list, that does not matter. Just chill. When you see the volume sky high, unexplainatory, you can't explain it, that does not matter. I tell everybody this because I saw it happen with Bed Bath & Beyond. The float was increasing, and I was explaining it to people. No one wanted to listen. They're not diluting. I don't see the 8K for this. They haven't told me anything. They'll tell you when it's all said and done. We saw it happen with MULN Automotive, and this is why I talk about MULN, because look at MULN right now. The float, it's a 9-to-1 reverse stock split. It just happened, right, this past week. And what is the float now? 184 million shares. That means that float was almost 2 billion shares. And yet every stock app, everything you had only was showing you 700, 600 million shares because you don't know what the float is. You don't understand how there's that much volume because they don't report it until after it's all said and done. So until it's complete, none of those reports matter. So please, guys, pay attention. Now let's talk about what Adam Aaron's doing with this 25 million share offering. What he's doing is taking everything from you guys. Up to 20% of this company is going to be sold to someone. And if you think it's out in the market, like just like you are going to buy it, right? Like the Tom, Dick, and Harry's, like everyone out here who's pushing this. No, you guys don't have any money. You guys don't have it. I'm sorry, you don't. You guys think you guys move markets and you don't. People don't move markets. You and I, FOMO, no such thing. Okay? Institutions move markets. Institutions have the money to buy these shares. And 25 million of them, let's just give you an example of what the price will be with 25 million shares that you're going to offer and dilute the company with. First, who are you selling it to? That's what I ask you. Who is going to have 20% of this company off the bat? You think it's going to be retail. And I'm going to tell you, retail's not buying in at $25 a share, $20 a share. This thing's going to get sucked down. You saw how long he waited to sell off Ape? Well, you can't wait that long to sell off AMC shares because there'll be no equity there. But if you're going to get $10 a share, you're looking at around $250 million. I know. You guys think it's a lot of money. You guys probably think it's going to save the day. It's going to mask a lot of the losses. What is he going to get? $500 million? $500 million? $500 million? I mean, we might be able to live with that if it's $20 a share. That won't last either. I'm telling you, you're not going to pay off your debt. You're going to string it on a little longer. What do you say if you give him money? What do you say he was going to do? He's going to buy new ACs and new screens and, cap expenditures. But yeah, he wants to cut CapEx. That's fine. That's fine. Adam Aaron, I'll play your game. I want to know how long you're going to make this last, brother. 25 million shares. That's it? That's all we're diluting this time? He owes $3.3 billion. Okay? $3.3 billion in 2 years. 2 years, guys. And about a year and a half, actually, if you do the calendar years. So I really don't know what to tell you other than it's going to be painful out here. 25 and 26. 2025 and 2026 is where you get the clamps. But remember, the covenants are coming. Now, here's the kicker for all of you guys, if you guys don't know this out there. They have to have a certain cash balance for a lot of their RSUs and PSUs, performance stock units. So these guys are going to get bonuses based off of that offering. That's the real thing here. Additionally, the covenants that get called back in March, because they're suspended right now, they're going to have to hold about $150 million cash. Just know what the cash burn is for quarter 4 and quarter 3. It's going to be significant. I know Barbie's killing it. I know Heimerdinger. I always call him that because Oppenheimer is great, but I play a lot of League of Legends. I apologize, guys. I just know that when I look at this balance sheet, and I understand they just had a really good quarter, they still lost $60 million, on the cash flow side. You'll additionally lose money, but once they start paying their debt, once they start servicing that debt, it's going to be even a bigger drop off on cash. So I see this being played out for another year and a half, maybe 2 years. But I don't know how much you're going to get out of this stock, because it's not going to be $20 for long, and it's not going to be $10 for long. I'm telling you right now, you're going to lose 20% equity off jump based off of what he's selling. So whatever gets diluted down, and guess what they do, guys? They're offering shares, right? AMC's offering 25 million shares. Do you remember what happened when they offered 500,000 ape? They shorted it. Antura cut that shit, chopped it down like they're Paul Bunyan themselves. They chopped that tree all the way down. You think they're not going to short down AMC and then buy it at the bottom? And you're going to be so accustomed to seeing a $20, $10 stock, not understanding that's $2 and $1. But I know the truth. And you know it too, because you guys have been here a lot longer than the new guys coming through. There's going to be new shareholders out here trying to get this as a swing trade, as a day trade, trying to pump it to you. New YouTubers going to come out and try to be the face of it all after everyone else is leaving. It's rinse and repeat, guys. It's the same grift. Everything's the same. That's AMC. Pay attention. Now let's go look at MULN Automotive. I haven't even heard the earnings call today. I haven't even read anything that they put out. I just know that the float is 184 million shares. After it was already a 25-to-1 reverse stock split, a 9-to-1 reverse stock split. All this has happened in the last 100 days. I mean, it is absolutely unbelievable. That float size, the reverse stock split size. I mean, just everything, guys. Everything I've seen with MULN Automotive, it's just wow. That's all I can tell you. And that's it, guys. That was my stock talk for tonight. I want you to be aware of what AMC is doing and how much it's about to cost you. He is diluting his float, 250 million shares, and people are just like, okay. And I'll tell you what, they put out the 8K, and did you see Adam Aaron make a tweet about, hey guys, I'm going to do 25 million share offering. Here's what we have. I know you guys didn't vote on it, because once again, you didn't vote on it. He just took it. He took 500 million shares from you. Oh, he took them because he went and gave them away to someone else. He diluted your float, 500 million shares. And now he's going to do it again. I'm talking about 1 billion shares already. Now another 250 million. I mean, what do you guys want, man? What do you guys want? You guys want to catch him in the act? No, I need to see it happening. Oh, it's happening. You're seeing it right now. I've tried, man. I'm exhausted. I'm up and I'm exhausted tonight. I've been exhausted for almost 3 years, 2.5 years, talking about AMC. Trying to help people not lose their life savings. There's not a single person right now that owns AMC shares that has made a profit or that is in the green today. You're at all-time lows. You're trapped. But you know what? A lot of you guys told me you were trapped at $10. I'm not taking this loss. That's what you said. I interviewed Mike the Marine. I've talked to Donahue. I've talked to Tony De Niro. I've talked to Master DeLorean. I've talked to Data Zero. I've talked to all the AMC guys. Ape Father. Nah, brother, we're stuck. We're not getting out. Right here, it's $6. It's $6 or zero. Yeah? Let me show you how you get more blood out of this rock. They're going to rob you blind. And I'm the only one who's telling you the truth while everyone else is pumping and lying to you. Talking about Wix, talking about MOAS, talking about popcorn, NFTs, Bitcoin for movie theater tickets. Every next great idea. And you're losing money. Good luck. You're going to need it. Peace.